Hi guys, good morning. So actually today I want to do pregnancy test because my period has been delayed, but I just said okay, let me even give it time to see if it will come by itself. I don't even know why I decided to do this, but when a woman's period is some days delayed, you have to, okay? I feel like to use the early morning piece to do it. Let it not be what I'm thinking, because I don't even know how I feel. But anyway guys, let me go get the pregnancy test that I already have at home, because I have the one that I use at home to confirm first before going to the hospital.
A few minutes later.
So guys, over here I have this. Let me show you guys. I have this pregnancy test at home. I have it a lot. I bought the carton. That's what I've been using for years. A lot of you know how to use it. When it shows 2 lines, that means it's positive. When it shows 1 line, that means it's negative. Over here I have my plastic cup because I'm going to the toilet now to pee inside the plastic cup. Okay, let's just see how it goes. This is 750. So guys, this is 657. Okay, I've not even started. I'm starting to forget things. My God, I don't know what to say about this. Honestly speaking, I don't know, but God will help us. So I'm gonna quickly piece inside this place. Okay. Oops, I forgot. I believe this amount is okay. I'll open this. So I'm gonna dip this place inside the urine. Remember when I started the process, it was 6:57 and now it's 7 o'clock. Don't know how I feel.
A few moments later.
Oh my God. Guys, look at that. 1 control line and 1 fainted line. So I'm going to be a mom of 4. I can't believe that this is positive. Now I'm going to be making an arrangement on how to tell the kids. Okay, so we actually won. Actually, my battery went off when I was recording in the bedroom, so that is why I have to come inside, put the battery, and decide to stay here and finish the video, and which I have to start antenatal right away. Even as I'm talking to you guys, I'm running out of breath. In all things, I give God all the praise because He knows the best, and I am excited. I'm happy to be the mother of this baby, and I'm going to welcome the baby with joy in my arms. Okay, so I'll carry you guys along as well, and we're gonna go this journey very well. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.